There were more good days than bad, more smiles than tears. We were more happy than sad. When we were us, we were fierce. Somewhere along the way, lovers drifted apart. And even though I didn't stay, you have a place in my heart. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. There's still sweetness in the memories, even after all the hurting, even after all the long nights, not quite knowing if it felt right. I wouldn't change a thing. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. You'll always be someone I miss, and never will regret. Every touch and every kiss were the kind you don't forget. I can't put my finger on the reason it didn't work. We didn't do anything wrong. The fire just wouldn't burn. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. There's still sweetness in the memories, even after all the hurting, even after all the long nights, not quite knowing if it felt right. I wouldn't change a thing. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. Loving you was easy, loving you was nice, but loving you was one side of the life. Leaving was a heartbreak, closing of the door. Can't blame us for wanting something more. It wasn't just me I did it for. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. There's still sweetness in the memories, even after all the hurting, even after all the long nights, not quite knowing if it felt right. I wouldn't change a thing. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it. I know it wasn't perfect, perfect. I know. I know it wasn't perfect, but loving you was worth it.